Okay, so that's the complete sort of self-shutdown. I'm going to unplug the spark plug and just do a manual spin, and you can hear the same sound. Clunk. So it's every sort of one full revolution, it makes a clunk. I'm not sure whether that's just a normal thing or not. The other thing which is sort of interesting to notice is it almost looks like the thing is warped, which might be part of what's going on here. Not sure how something that heavy can be warped, but if you watch the wheels spin, you can see that it's not sort of equally balanced. All right, that's